Follow Me mode. Press the Follow Me on transmitter. Drone will follow player. Press 1 key takeoff. Drone will take off and hover at a certain height. Press 1 key landing. Drone will land on the ground. Press 1 key return on transmitter. Drone will return to the place where it takes off. With GPS connected, click Photo and Video on the app to catch every moment you like and save on your smartphone directly.
Designed with ingenuity and focused on details. This is E520S Foldable UAV. Everyone can be the director of life to record a blockbuster film of his own. Portable and foldable, it has excellent performance. Everyone can be the director of life. What matters is not the end of the journey, but the scenery along the way. E520S UAV makes your journey marvelous. Different heights, different kinds of beauty. The right choice gives you the most beautiful scenery and makes you experience extraordinary stories. Retain a beautiful moment, record a wonderful life. E520S Foldable UAV.
Will eventually come true. I stop my busy footsteps. E520S Foldable Quadcopter. Experience life with your heart. It's powerful and easy to operate. Outdoor GPS fixed point can make it hover precisely in the air. GPS intelligent following system ensures it to record my cycling figure in a flying angle. It's equipped with 1080p high-definition wide-range camera, which can be adjusted by 90-degree up and down and record the excellent moments. .360-degree circumferential point setting provides a brand new angle to view the familiar scenery and record the wonderful moments. Airline planning will give up the complex operation, set the desired track, and will head from the destination automatically. Heat determines my sight. And sight changes the way I look at the world. Intelligent operation experience, easy to return with one button. E520S Foldable Quadcopter, changing another way to see the world.